People keep asking in the comments why their channel is not getting monetized, and today I am going to answer that clearly and simply, so you understand exactly what you are missing and how you can fix it. Starting today, what you are seeing on your screen. Right now, these videos are created using a completely free AI tool, and today I will show you two powerful video generators that are 100% free, plus one hidden image generator that almost nobody is talking about. So do not skip this video because I will also explain what actually matters for monetization. And most people completely ignore this part, which is why they fail to explain this properly. I have brought a real channel example in front of you, so take a close look at this channel and try to understand what they are doing differently. If you analyze their videos, you will notice something very interesting. Almost every video has millions of views. One video has more than 260 million views. Another one has over 169 million, and many others have crossed 100 million views. Yes, this channel is fully monetized, and that black tick you see means YouTube has officially approved this channel for monetization. Right now, this channel has over 11 million subscribers with only around 270 videos, and it is earning at least $11,000 per month, which is extremely high. And here is something very important. This channel uploads both shorts and long videos. Their long videos are short, around 4 to 5 minutes, but they are consistent, and that is very powerful. Now, without wasting time, let's start. I have already prepared a master prompt. This is a complete 2D animation creator prompt, which includes main character, secondary character style, rules, story, theme, story, title, and everything else. You will find the link in the description. Simply copy it. Then come to ChatGPT and paste it. Now here is the problem most people face. ChatGPT gives a consistent character only in the first image, but not in the rest. So here is the simple trick after generating the prompt. Just write, "Please add consistent character in all image prompts," and instantly it will fix everything. Now all your scenes, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, will have the same character with image prompts, video prompts, voiceover and full scene details ready to use. Once your scenes are ready, the next step is image generation. The tool we are using today allows you to generate around 20 to 25 images for free. The quality is very high. The tool is Leonardo AI. Simply log in with your Google account and you will get 150 free credits immediately. Now go to the model section and select the simple image model because it only costs 8 credits per image, and you have enough credits to generate many images. Next, go to custom dimensions and select 9:16 ratio because we are creating shorts. Now take a screenshot of your character from your reference video, then go to image reference, upload that screenshot, paste your prompt, and click generate. Within seconds, your first image will be ready. And you will notice that the character is perfectly consistent, and the result looks very professional. Now repeat the same process. Paste the next prompt, click generate, and your next image will be ready with the same consistent style. You can continue this process and generate multiple images easily, and you will still have credits left. You can even generate 3 to 4 images at the same time, which makes the process much faster. As you can see, all images are clean, consistent, and ready to use. And this method is completely safe because everything is generated using AI. Now, the next step is video generation, and I will show you 2 free tools for that. Tools we are going to use, you will find their links in the description, and the first tool we are going to use is Wan AI. Yes, this is the official Wan AI website, and recently they have launched version 2.7. So you will find its link in the description. Simply come here and open it, and after opening, you will see the login option at the top. Now let me show you how to log in. Simply click on login, then click on sign up here. You can enter any name, you can even use a random name. Then you have to use a temporary email. So copy the temp mail email, then come back and paste the email here. After pasting, set any password. Once you enter the password, a code will be sent to your temp mail. Now you can see the code on temp mail, simply copy it and come back to the Wan AI website and paste the code. Then click continue as. Soon as you continue, you will see Wan 2.7 release, so simply click on update, continue, and here you will see the option earn daily credits. When you click on earn daily credits, you will get 10 credits. So from here, you can use credits to create videos. And yes, you can also create videos without credits. But I will explain that next. The difference is, if you want fast generation, then you have to use credits. Now, once you are logged in, simply go to the video section, and here, select the model, Wan 2. 7. Always select the latest model, then adjust resolution and settings. And here, you will see Generate Without Credits option. If you turn it off, it will generate video with 0 credits. But it will not be fast. If you want fast generation, then you must use credits. Now, I select ratio 9:16. Then I upload the first frame image. Then I go to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt and voiceover of scene 1 and paste it here. And simply click Generate. Now you can see my first video generation has started. And within 1 to 1.5 minutes, it will generate the video. It works fast and does not take too much time. Slow generation only happens when you have 0 credits, which I will explain next. Now you can see the first result is ready, and it looks very powerful and amazing. And you can see with voiceover, the character is moving
and said nothing.
Stepping on the ground, very beautifully generated. So our first scene is ready. Now what you have to do next, if you run out of credits, you can simply upload the next image. Paste the prompt and click. Generate your video will go into queue, which means it will take around 8 to 10 minutes for one video. But here, you can generate unlimited videos. There is no limit, even with 0 credits, but it will generate scene by scene, slowly. Now, if you want fast generation again, then you can open another browser login again, and you will get 10 credits again. Then upload the next image, paste the prompt, and click Generate, and your next video will start generating. And one more thing I want to tell you. You can also generate images from here, completely free, the images you are seeing below. I tested and generated them from this tool. Now you can see the next video is also ready, very professional, powerful, and amazing. You can see how the girl is speaking and the boy is reacting. So you can download it easily. If you do not like this tool, I will show you another tool so you do not face any problem. The next tool, Digen AI. You might already know this because we used it in previous videos, and now it has a new model which is completely free and does not take credits and generates video. Simply log in with your Google account, and it will give you around 120 credits, then go to Model section and select Real Motion 3. 1 Turbo, which is completely free and does not use credits. Now select ratio 9:16 and keep everything else default. Then upload image, go to ChatGPT copy, next scene, prompt, paste it and click Generate. And here is another benefit you can generate 2 videos at the same time. So upload next image again, copy, next scene, prompt, paste it, and click Generate. And both generations will start. And within 2 to 3 minutes, both videos will be ready. Now we will preview and compare which tool is better. And as you can see, the next video is ready, very professional and powerful. The animation is smooth, and the characters look very clean and expressive. And you can see both videos are generated, and they look super amazing. In my opinion, Digen AI is better right now, because its output and expansion are stronger, and overall results are better. Now the process is the same. Upload, image, paste, prompt, click, generate, and your next videos will be ready. And as you can see, I generated 2 more videos, and they look very powerful and beautiful. So guys, what you need to do for monetization, if you want to use characters, you can use the same character. No issue. You have to create this type of channel and upload consistently. You will see results. This method is 100% monetizable because YouTube only demonetizes channels where there is no real value. And if you upload long videos of 1 to 1.5 minutes, you will get. I will see you in the next video.